Meaning of become. Become is a verb that means to begin to be something or to change into a new state or condition. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. She wants to become a doctor. 2. It's becoming colder every day. 3. He became very famous after the movie. 4. They became friends in college. 5. The sky became dark before the storm. 6. Don't become upset over small things. 7. He became angry when he heard the news. 8. The water became ice in the freezer. 9. She became interested in painting. 10. That dress really becomes you. Equals it looks good on you.